This is the cable sizing calculator for current and voltage drop, which determines the appropriate wire gauge needed for your electrical installation based on current requirements and voltage drop constraints. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your phase configuration from the drop-down menu. You can choose single-phase or three-phase. For this example, I'm using single-phase. Next, select your cable material, either copper or aluminum. I've selected copper here. Now for the numerical inputs. Enter your current in amperes. I'm entering 10 amps. Input your cable length in feet. I'll use 10 feet. Enter your system voltage in volts. I'm putting in 10 volts. Finally, set your max voltage drop percentage. The default is 3%, which I'll keep. After clicking Calculate Cable Size, here are our results. The required AWG size is 40 AWG. That's 4/0, one of the largest standard wire sizes. The actual voltage drop is 98%, which far exceeds our 3% maximum, indicating this scenario has inadequate voltage. The cable cross-sectional area is 107.20 square millimeters. The cable ampacity is 230 amps, showing this cable can handle much more current than our 10 amp requirement. Find the link in the description below.